Welcome back to Wood Acres. Today we need to do a pig pen clean out and, you guessed it, move some birds. Now we are getting a gorgeous blue sky and sunshine morning right now, but they are calling for thunderstorms later. And if you've been following along, you know we've had this 200-pound pumpkin sitting next to the pond for a while now, and we've been waiting until it started to rot to give it to the animals. And she caved in yesterday, so we need to try and get that up to the pigs too. But I'm sure it's big enough we can share it with the other animals as well. But we've gotten some heavy rain here lately, and it's completely destroyed the pig's outdoor pen. Not only that, oh, the geyser. Gorgeous. But not only the outside pen, but the inside pen needs cleaned out at this point too. We've been trying to take care of little girl because she is not feeling well right now. So I haven't been able to keep up with everything on the homestead, and we need to try and play catch up today. Look at that geyser. And the sunflowers, and the thistle. Good job, Rufio. Not the ideal planting for the pond bank here, but I do enjoy the splash of yellow. And the birds and the goldfinches especially have been enjoying all the sunflower seeds. The little girl is battling Lyme right now, and we're trying to take the best care of her we can. Oh, pup, I almost forgot I gave you a turkey wing. Food. You can have it. Go ahead, bud. Little girl, how you doing? Little girl just does not have an appetite right now. She's eaten a few bites of boiled venison, but I have boiled chicken and venison here for her just in case she gets hungry. A little bit of water in the bowl, but I have been using the drencher to actually get some vitamins and nutrients into her. The little girl's just feeling down right now. We're trying to get her back on her feet. So she's not getting left alone. She's getting minute by minute care here. Huh, little girl? You just relax. Echo Pup's gonna have some breakfast. Turkey for breakfast. Huh, Pup? He's a gentle puppy. He's gonna eat that raw turkey wing. But we still have things to do here on the homestead today, so we're gonna try and get the pig pen cleaned out and freshened up. We need to shovel out the inside and get fresh bedding down, and then on the outside we need to move the dirt around because they've been digging some holes with all that rain. And we also just got some fresh wood chips, so we want to get that in the outdoor pen to try and soak up some of that mud and give them some dry area to be on. And once we get the pig pen cleaned up a little bit, then we can take the pumpkin up. Hopefully it's not completely collapsed by then. Good job, Rufio. Hi, Goldie Hawn. I see you in there. We did a full pond clean out on my other channel, Wood Acres Nature at Home, if you want to follow along with that. We actually took all the fish out, drained all the water out of the pond, had it completely empty, and then filled it back up fresh. It's not completely full yet. We were supposed to get some more rain, but we haven't gotten it yet, and we still have about 10 inches to go on the pond before it's full. It should be above that rock. But we have expected thunderstorms maybe later today and some tomorrow, so hopefully we can get some water directed into the pond. I have it actually hooked up directly to the downspout. But I'm going to be letting the ducks out to the duck pond, and then we're going to be working on the pig pen today. After breakfast. Pup. Now I got Echo Pup at 10 weeks old, and he's been a raw-fed dog ever since, so he knows how to handle a raw bone. But if you try and feed your dog raw bones, make sure you watch him and you're careful, because Echo Pup is a very gentle pup. And he knows how to handle bone shards. He's actually going to leave a bunch of sharp bones once he's finished with that. He's a smart pup. He doesn't try and swallow the sharp bones. Huh, Pup? You do you, bud. You smell something, Lils. You want a little piece of raw chicken? Once he gets a small piece, I'll offer it to you, see if you're hungry for it. You have some boiled chicken there. Some delicious, bland boiled chicken you could try. Yeah, that's it. Go ahead, whenever you want it, it's there. You got it, Lils. It's all for you. Once Echo gets that down to a nub, I'll take it and offer it to Lil, see if she wants something fresh. Huh, Pop? Just taking your time, bud. Good. Yeah, you're a good boy. Food. Is that bee interrupting your meal? Puppy, don't eat bees. That's gonna be spicy, bud. You don't want to eat that bee. He does catch bees and he chomps them up real quick. Hold on, let me take the plate away, bud. Maybe they won't bother you. Oh, easy, you're slipping. All right, there you go. That's yours. Yeah. That bee bothering you, pup. Trying to get your chicken or your turkey. Yeah, he's trying to get your turkey, pup. Huh. Little girl's eyeballing me, so I'm gonna try it. Hold on, pup. Let me try it for Lils. You want this? Something fresh. Rev, back up. Back up. Make her feel comfortable, pup. Give her space. Good, Lils. Eat something. Just a nibble, girl. Come on, you got it. Echo pup, I don't think you're making her feel too comfortable, bud. Hold on, give her space. See if she'll take it. Get out of her eyesight for a second. Good, Lils. Eat your food. Oh no, don't throw up. I'll get it out of your face. I'll get it out of your face. Okay. Are you sure? Oh, she's taking it from me. All right, I like to see that. Even if she eats this and then throws up, I still like to see that she has an appetite. That's good. You go ahead, Lils. You do you. She knows how to eat raw bones too. Good boy, Lils. Good boy, little girl. Just eating in your den. Oh, huh. That's crunchy, huh, Pop? I know you wanted it. That was your breakfast, huh? I stole your breakfast, huh? Here, you can have what Lils didn't want. Here you go. You can have that. I have more. You gotta share. Good boy, little girl. Good boy. Get something in your belly. That's why I brought it up here and fed Echo Pup in front of her, trying to entice her to eat. I don't want to rub raw bird all over you. I gotta wash my hands, bud. We're gonna let little girl eat something. We'll be right back. Alright, Lils, let me take the rest of that. Oh, let me take that. You don't need to eat it all. Good boy, glad you had some appetite. You can have the crumbs. There you go, pup, that's for you. Take this over, not on the rug. Not on the rug, you boy. There you go. Finish that. Oh, you're going after that bee again. Good, and finish your breakfast. Then we'll get to work. Buddy, don't bother that. Oh, we're gonna have to get that bee. Echo. Buddy. Just work on the work on eating. Don't bother that bee. Good boy, Lils. Good, and hold that in. I don't want to see it again. Okay? Rest and digest. You want that out of the way too? I hear you. See, that's just bones. She didn't want that. Alright, we're gonna finish breakfast and then we'll head up to the barn. Alright, pup, we're heading out. If you missed the video yesterday, we did get the broilers moved into the bird box. I wanted to keep them here close to the yard because they still are attached to their umbilical cord, which is the electricity back to the house. We are expecting some cold nights coming up this week down into the 40s. naked neck broilers. Gotta try and keep you all warm. Looks like everybody's doing all right now. We have the duck water in there and 2 feeders because these broilers are growing. And it looks like I'm gonna have to move them onto fresh grass each day, even though they're in this bigger box. But once we get past these cold nights and they get a little bit bigger, we're gonna be moving them out on pasture. And once we do that, we can actually open up the bird box door and let them run around in the open. Pup, you just have to look out for those hawks. So let's go ahead and open up the gate and see if the birds wanna head out to the pond. We also got all the little chicken houses up on blocks and set aside until they're needed again. All of them except for 2. We had the little red mini barn that I set aside here, and I think we're gonna move Sedwig and her little duckling into that one. I hear you, goats. Folds. I see you, girl. Mumbles. You singing, girl. It's hard to get Mumbles mumbling on the camera. But as you can see, we also moved the double wide over here to the corner of the barnyard, and that's because the duck family has moved in. Ducks. You getting acquainted with the flock? Introducing your ducklings? Good. It does seem like they claimed the territory in this corner of the barnyard. They're not allowing any other ducks to use this corner pool. But alright, I'll let you guys down to the community pool and let you all swim around. Mumbles. I know it's early, girl. You usually wait a couple hours before you come down. You guys want to go down to the pond? What do you think, ducks? You enjoying the shade? Look how big those turkey are getting. Jeez, you're growing fast. Good job, Rufio. What do you think, Mumbles? Ready to go down to the pond? Want to bring your ducks out? I think I'm gonna leave Ron in for now. You can come out, Dabbles. I'll get the gate open. You guys can come out if you want. I know the duck family wants to. Hold on, let me get Echo. Come on. Hit it. It's a gorgeous day right now. I wonder if we're even gonna get that thunderstorm later. Come on out, birds. You too, big wings. Go on, Mumbles. You big boat. Yeah, watch out for those hawks, Duke. You can come out, Clara. I'm leaving Ron in for now. You won't have to worry about him. Hump up. I hear ya. Alright, we need to get in the pig pen, start working. Goats! You don't need to clean out. I gave you treats already. I'm not giving you more treats. Hey, chickens! Everybody wants treats. Hold on, we got works to do. Work before play. Beep beep Spot coming in. Coming in, girls. Piggies. How you doing? You guys ready to work? We're working with you today, piggies. They got a mess out here. It's a little bit saturated over there by the pool. All the water actually collects into this tent. It's permeable, so it all collects down into the lowest point and then it drips into the center. But the pigs also dug a hole beside the gate, so that filled up with water too, and it's actually packed up against the front of the gate to where I can't even get in at this point. I don't know what it is with these pigs that they keep messing up the gate that I walk into. Not cool, huh, birds? So it looks like I need to do some shoveling and some raking in the pig pen, and then we're going to be bringing in some fresh wood chips. What you doing? What you yelling about? Huh, pigs? Why'd you make such a mess, Sully? Come on out, Specs, you dirty pig. Where's your sister? Molly. You sleeping, girl? Dreaming of chickens? You just counting dots? Huh, pup. Grab the wheelbarrow. Let's get started. babe. Come in. Alright, stay out, bud. Hold on, we're not clean yet. Alright, Pop, we did it. Inside's clean. Alright, piggies, fresh bedding all around. You got feed in the tray, and it's looking like you're getting big enough for your trough feeder, so you might have to pull the other feeder out. Come on, pup, no fighting with the pigs. Come on, we gotta do the outside now. Let them forage. Had to check in on Lils here. Just gave her some more medicine. You didn't throw up yet. That's good. Alright, you just settle in, girl. Rest and digest. last long. Stay inside, Sully. Stay inside. No, I gotta shut the gate. Get back inside. Piggy! Back inside. There you go. There you go. That's better. Hump pop. Come in. Hey pigs, I got your fresh water here. Hold on, don't run outside. There you go. Fresh water. Stay in, pig. There you go. Solly Molly and Specs all set up. All right, Echo Pup, that is much better. We got the pig pen all cleaned up. Huh, piggies, you like the wood chips? Giving you something to forage in here. Soak up some of that slop. Now, the fresh water in the swimming pool didn't last too long, but I got the trench redug out to the end, so it'll all drain out instead of filling up the pen here. I got a big fresh bowl of water out here, so they're not making a mess with the water inside the stall. Huh, pop. But we also got the stall all cleaned out in here, fresh and dry. I'm hoping the pigs are not going to do their business right here in front of the gate anymore. I actually threw a little bit of business over there in the corner, hopefully directing them that way. Huh, Molly? Don't be doing that stuff over here in front of the gate. You're making a mess. But you guys are looking good all cleaned up after getting in the pool. Yeah, I'm Pop. These piggies are bigger than you, bud. They're going to be pushing you around. Don't be rubbing all up against him. He's filthy. I know he got cleaned up a little bit, but he's not clean like you. Hey, hey, hey. Come here. Hey, hey. Hey, Pop. Don't be picking on Sully. Oh, he's going to get his friends after you. Come on. Out, out, out. Out. Sully. What are you doing, Pop? Oh, what was that? Lil Row. Alright, I'm working on getting some water filled up here in the tank. We got rain that one day while I was cleaning the pond, and then everything else they were forecasting just disappeared. Good job, Rufio. But it feels good to get the pig pen cleaned out. It really needed it. And in last video, we got all the little coops set aside until they're needed again. We are going to be moving Sedwig over here, though. Good job, Rufio. So I'm going to get the moving box, and we're going to be moving Sedwig and her one duckling over here into the little red mini barn. And that's so we can open up the corner lot coop and move Ron inside. I want to give all the girls a break from Ron, but I don't want to keep all his girls inside too. Good job, Rufio. What time do you think it is, bud? It's not morning or night. Huh, Pop? But right now I left Ron's gate closed so he's not out here chasing Duke's girls, and it's giving everybody a nice calm evening. So we're going to move Sedgwick, get Ron put inside, and then we can let the girls out to the pond again. Good job, Rufio. Huh, Pop. And there's a few things I just opened up in the mail I want to get up, but I need to grab a drink first. Come on, Pop. Thanks, Bert. Huh, birds. All right. right, Sedwig, are you ready, girl? Pup, it's time to move. I'm gonna keep the gate closed though, because I don't want Ron running out. Boy. But I was thinking about it, and I don't even think I need the bird box mover. I can just grab these birds. I have 2 hands, and there's 2 birds. I think I'm gonna be good. And actually, I think the duckling's stuck inside the pool right now. So I'm gonna go to the bird catch cam and see if we can get Sedwig and her duckling. Girl, you ready to move out on grass? I know you're scratching around for some forage. Hold on, pup. Oh, girl, you trying to get to your duckling? It's in the water. It's a wet bird. Yes, it is. Come here, girl. Come here. Trying to catch you with your duckling. Make it easy on me. Oh, here we are. We got you. We got you. Don't squish your duckling. Hold on. Okay, we got you both. Hold on, duckling. Come here, pup. Come on, you two. Two birds, one hand. Hopefully this duckling's okay. Trying not to squish them. Hold on. Almost there. Here we go, Sedwig. Back up, pup. Back up, back up, back up. There's the duckling. There's the Sedwig. There you go, girl. Oh, duckling, are you okay? You've been in that pool a while, haven't you? You're a little cold. Mama chicken will take care of you. There you go. Good and warm that duckling up, Sedwig. Looks a little chilly. It's been in the water too long. You okay, bud? You go ahead and dry off. I'll keep this door closed. I'll get them some food inside. All right, girl. Did you lay an egg? Good job. Why don't you get out of the way? I need some food. I need to get some feed for the girl and the duckling. Watch out. That'll be good. I didn't see an egg in there, girl. Pop. You getting water? Good. Get the water filled up with the hose here. All right, Sedwig, I got your feed. Are you keeping your baby warm? Got you all set up. Stay inside with your baby. Good, good. Keep that baby warm, girl. Gotta dry her off. Spot, Candy Striper, you want to help? I hear you, goats. What are you doing running around up there? No, you have too many treats already. And here's some water you can't swim in, just in case you get thirsty. There you go. All set up for you. Go ahead and get warm. Then you can come out and play. Good thing it was a moving day. That little duckling was stuck in the pool. Now I'm gonna get fresh water in the pool, make sure everything's nice and clean inside the corner lock coop, and we're gonna try and get Ron inside. Bud. And then everybody else can go down to the pond. Turk, turk. You long-legged birds. Cooling your feet off. Good. Mambos. I see a pretty girl. Pup. Get you into the corner. Stay there, pup. Just make sure he doesn't go outside. Okay, come on in. Come on, Ron. Alright, well, he can hang out with Zoe tonight. Come on, pup. We're not making this hard. Come on. Alright, we got Ron and Zoe inside the corner coop. We'll see if everybody else wants to go to the pond now. Come here, pup. Or are they gonna wait for Ron? They are, kinda. They're asking him. He said, no, I'm stuck. Go without me. Alright, ducks, head on down. Good. Alright, I kind of feel bad about leaving Zoe in with Ron so she doesn't get to go to the pond, but I'd also feel bad about leaving Ron inside the coop by himself, so we're taking the good with the bad here, pup. Zoe's got to be Ron's friend tonight. It'll just be temporary, girl. Come on, pup. Pants, what are you doing out here, girl? Huh, pup. Now we can go get the pumpkin. Now, I was expecting to get my dad's help to pick up this pumpkin and put it onto the wagon, but my dad actually left and went to a restaurant for dinner. Him and my mom went out with the neighbors. Beep, beep, pup. And now I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pick up this pumpkin. Huh, Sandy? I see you, Jackie. Everybody relaxing? We're not getting any of that rain. Looks like someone got rain out there. Got to drop the umbrella. That was shading the pumpkin today. Got to close that so it doesn't blow over and hit the pumpkin. Huh, pup. That pumpkin is much bigger than this one. But this one was 208.6 pounds whenever I harvested it. I actually called this pumpkin because it never got fully ripe. This was the first pumpkin that was growing on the vine, and I ended up calling it at 208 pounds, and we ended up going with a different pumpkin to try and get big. And the one down in the pumpkin patch right now is up over 650 pounds, so I think we made the right choice. But we missed our opportunity to pick up this pumpkin by a day or two, and it completely collapsed now. It has a lot of juice in there. It looks like the bugs are enjoying it. But I think the pigs and the birds will enjoy it too. Huh, pup. We just got to figure out how to get it up to them. Big spider. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna be able to pick this up by myself. We're gonna have to wait for help, pup. She's still pretty heavy. I think it's dinner time anyway. I'm having leftovers tonight. Alright, well that's gonna be all for this one. All plans are subject to change. We want to get that pumpkin up to the pen as soon as possible, but I'm gonna have to wait until I have another hand to get it up there. We still made some good progress today. We got the pig pen all cleaned out and freshened up for him, and a few other odds and ends taken care of. And the fish are looking good in the clear pond right now. But this pumpkin's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. If you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Good boy.